Hi, welcome to Miss Jessica's World. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. When you do that, you help my channel grow. You can also follow me on Instagram at Miss Jessica's World. Hi everyone, I'm Miss Jessica. Welcome to my world. Today on Language Connection, we're going to learn the colors of the rainbow in Spanish. And here to share it with us is my good friend, Veronica. Here she is.
Hola.
Hola, Veronica. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me here.
What are you going to teach us today?
Today, I'm going to teach you about the colors of the rainbow. Los colores del arco iris.
That's exciting. I'm going to say the colors of the rainbow in English, and then Veronica will say them.
En español.
Sí. Okay. Red.
Rojo.
Orange.
Anaranjado.
Yellow.
Amarillo.
Green.
Verde.
Blue.
Azul.
Indigo.
Índigo.
Violet.
Violeta.
Let's repeat after Veronica. Okay.
Rojo.
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 Anaranjado.
Anaranjado. Ooh.
Yes.
Okay. Let's break that word down into sections. Ana.
Ana.
Ran.
Lan.
Hado.
Hado.
Ana ran.
Anaran.
Hado.
Hado.
Anaranjado.
Anaranjado.
Great job.
Amarillo.
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 Verde.
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 And so verde is spelled with a V, but it's kind of sounding like you're saying a B sound. Is that right?
Yes.
So it's like a
Verde.
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 Okay, let's repeat after Veronica. Can you say it again for us?
Verde.
Verde. Verde.
Azul.
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 Índigo.
Indigo.
Indigo.
Violeta.
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 Good job. Gracias.
De nada.
Let's learn how to say rainbow in Spanish.
Arco iris.
Can you break that down for us? Say it a little slower.
Arco iris.
Arco iris.
Arco iris.
Yes.
Oh, all right. Let's say it a little quicker.
Arco iris.
Arco iris.
Arco iris.
Yes.
Oh, that's so great.
Muy bien.
So let's learn how to say the colors of the rainbow.
Los colores del arco iris.
Okay, so the colors is los colores.
Los colores.
Okay, let's repeat after Veronica, just the colors.
Los colores.
Los colores.
Los colores.
And now we'll learn of the rainbow, which is
Del arco iris.
del arco iris.
Yes.
Del arco iris.
All together, it is
Los colores del arco iris.
los colores del arco iris.
Muy bien.
Gracias.
Los colores del arco iris.
Veronica, muchas gracias for being here, for being part of my world, and for teaching us los colores del arco iris.
I have fun.
Yay! We had fun too. Everyone, this is Veronica, and I'm Miss Jessica, and I'll see you soon.
Adiós.
Adios!
You can send fan mail to Miss Jessica's World at 1812 Burbank Boulevard, number 927, Burbank, California, 91506.